Cruz Silva.
Speaker, sir, I wish to raise an urgent matter regarding the management of open spaces in subdivided plots. It is observed that before issuing occupancy certificates, most of these open spaces areas are not transferred to the panchayat and instead remains in the name of the owners. This lapse has led to widespread encroachment, with individuals using this space for personal purposes, thereby depriving the community of its rightful common areas. Such practice defeats the very purpose of reserving open spaces for the public use and weakens the authority of local self-governance. This trend is seen consecutively in villages like Goemkarponn and Sanjay, where community assets have been compromised due to such negligence. There is an immediate need for corrective action. I urge the government to ensure that all open spaces in subdivided plots are mandatorily transferred to the panchayat before occupancy certificates are issued. Furthermore, strict action should be taken against panchayat secretaries found guilty of negligence or complicity in such matters. This will safeguard community assets, prevent encroachment, and strengthen grassroots governance.
As proposed by him, already the open spaces are automatically handed over to the panchayats, but some of the builders are adamant they don't want to hand over. So we are seeing what necessary action that can be taken, and for the beautification of those open spaces so that nobody can thereafter encroach and build something. We are working out a mechanism which that part perhaps will give to the Zilla Panchayats.
Shri Tarvalkar.
Yeah, we'll get it. Because we'll soon get a requisite amendment or change in the Panchayati Raj law.
But it is not the Panchayat. It should come from when doing the plot.
No cross talk.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.